why you feel stuck, and how to move again. Myself, I'm starting over. Every single person you see on this channel is starting over, including myself. So if there's anybody that you see on this channel that's telling you, I have my whole life figured out, this channel is not for you, please. This channel is for those girls, is the everyday girl who is looking for how to just push themselves forward and also try and start over. So if this is you, definitely keep on watching. You are not lazy, you are just overloaded. And being overloaded can make everything feel tiring and hard. I mean, starting from your mindset, your style, and even getting out of bed. Now, if you feel stuck, I have been there, and this is for you. Remember, we are doing this together. Okay, so we are starting this together. Although I started before I made this video, I'm currently on my glow up journey. I started a few months ago or months ago. Okay, so definitely I'm going to be telling you what I have done so far that has brought me to this place, to build my confidence and all of that. So definitely don't worry, we're going to get into all of that. Now, I used to feel something was wrong with me, that I wasn't disciplined enough, that other girls had something that I didn't. But the truth is, I wasn't lazy, I was just tired, simply tired. And that is what you are. You are not lazy, you're just simply tired of performing, tired of pretending, tired of even trying to glow up when everything simply feels empty on the inside. I mean, what are you glowing up for when you can't even start from the inside? You're just doing the superficial things. That doesn't make sense. You have to feel it to be it. Do you understand? Now, most of us feel stuck, not because we are broken, but because we've been carrying too much. You're carrying too much, baby girl. Too many expectations, too many comparisons, and not enough simple steps just to help us go along, just to carry us along. I mean, so many videos on the internet now is just going straight to the point, so most superficially, how to glow up, clean girl aesthetics, this one, that one, and it's just making you feel like, oh, nobody is seeing me, where am I? I'm just, do you understand? But don't worry, this video is going to bring everything up. Like this channel, why I created this is supposed to bring everything up from the roots. From your face shape, yes, people don't even talk about that. We'll start from the face shape. You know why your hair isn't fitting you. You know why the makeup you're wearing is not helping you. You know why some sunglasses or your lenses is not fine on you. You know why some lenses and frames don't fit you. You know your body shape. You know what kind of outfits to wear that can flatter you. You know the colors that you can wear that can make you look good. Do you understand? That's why I created this page, and that is why I made something specially for you. It is definitely free. It is called the Everyday Girl Glow Checklist. The link is in the description box. Just click on the link and just download the PDF. As simple as that, at no money and no cost. Everything is just meant for you. So that's why I made the Everyday Girl Glow Checklist. It's going to take you step by step. Now, this is how I began. So I have to just document everything so that tomorrow, if you end up finding this video and you're in the place that I was months ago, you know how to start. The link is in the description box. It is free, and it is the softest place for you to begin. Now, it's not crazy, okay? No pressure, no perfections. It's not crazy. It's just a very simple PDF that's going to help you. On this channel, we don't want perfections. We don't want perfection. Like in short, we don't want perfections. We just want to glow simply from the basis, from the scratch. Let's all do this together. Okay? Now, I wish someone had given me this a few months ago when I was trying to work on my glow up. Honestly, you need to see me back then. My friends, they know. They can always talk about it. They know. But now everybody is saying you've changed. There's something different about you. Yeah, there's something different about me, and I know that myself. So because of what I'm doing behind the scenes, that's why they are now talking about it. Do you understand? I want you to also be in that same position with me. Now, if you're in this season 2, you're not behind, okay? So if you enjoyed this video, definitely give me a thumbs up, and also share these videos to your friends or even to your timeline. There's somebody that will also want to join us. So definitely, like I said, we don't need perfection. We don't need people that feel like I've got it all figured out. Please, this channel is not for you. If that is you, please, bye-bye. See you on other videos when we get to that position too as well. But right now, we are beginning. So definitely subscribe, turn on your post notification bell so anytime I upload a video, you definitely see these videos. Okay? Until next time, bye bubbles.